Have you ever felt like you want to do something big in life, but you just can't seem to start? You dream of success, discipline, and change, but every day you wake up feeling like you're wasting your potential. You're ambitious, but lazy. If that sounds like you, listen carefully. This video might just change how you see yourself. 1. You're not broken, you're misaligned. Let yes get one thing straight. Being lazy doesn't mean you were useless. Most ambitious people labeled as lazy are not lazy. They're misaligned. You see, your brain resists action when it doesn't see meaning. If your goals don't feel emotionally connected to who you are, your mind shuts down. It's not lack of willpower, it's lack of why. Think about it. When you truly care about something, you don't need motivation, do you? You just do it. So before calling yourself lazy, ask, am I chasing something that excites me or something I think I should want? Ambition without emotional connection creates paralysis. Find a goal that feels alive, and suddenly, you'll move. 2. The myth of motivation. You've been told you need to feel motivated to act, but that's the biggest lie in self-help culture. Motivation is like a spark. It burns bright, but it fades fast. What you need is momentum, not motivation. Here's the truth. You don't start because you're motivated. You get motivated because you started. Even 5 minutes of action sends a message to your brain. I'm doing this. And the moment you start, energy follows. So stop waiting for motivation. Move first, feel later. 3. The lazy genius paradox. If you're lazy but ambitious, you might actually be a lazy genius. Sounds funny, right? But lazy people are often incredibly smart. They're always finding the easiest way to get results. The problem is, they apply that creativity to avoid work instead of simplifying it. So here's the mindset shift. Don't fight your laziness. Use it. Ask yourself, what's the easiest possible way to get started? You don't need to build a business today. Just write the idea down. You don't need to run 5 miles. Just put your shoes on. Reduce your goal to something so small, your lazy brain has no excuse. Once you start, momentum takes care of the rest. 4. The real enemy isn't laziness. It's fear you're not lazy. You're scared. Scared of failing. Scared of looking dumb. Scared that even if you try, you still might not be good enough. It tells you to wait. I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it when I'm ready. But tomorrow never comes, does it? Perfectionism and fear disguise themselves as laziness. You're not avoiding work, you're avoiding pain. So here's the truth you need to hear. You will fail, you will make mistakes, but you'll also grow stronger every single time you show up. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the path to success. 5. Build systems, not hype. Ambitious people waste years waiting for the perfect burst of motivation. Successful people, they build systems that make action automatic. You don't rise to the level of your dreams, you fall to the level of your habits. So instead of saying, I'll start working out, set a rule. At 8 a.m., I'll walk for 10 minutes, no matter what. Say, every night at 9 p.m., I'll write 1 paragraph. Your future depends on the systems you design today. Because when you rely on discipline, you'll fail some days. But when you rely on systems, you'll keep going anyway. 6. Action builds identity. Every action you take is a vote for the kind of person you want to become. When you skip your goals, you reinforce the identity of someone who quits. But when you act, even in small ways, you reinforce the identity of someone who shows up. Want to stop being lazy? Stop telling yourself, I'm lazy. Say instead, I'm learning to show up, 1 step at a time. Identity drives behavior, not the other way around. When you start to see yourself as a doer, you become one. 7. The science of small wins. Here's the psychological trick. Your brain loves rewards. Every small win releases dopamine, the chemical of motivation. So the key to beating laziness is to create constant, tiny victories. After finishing a page, check it off. After cleaning your room, play your favorite song. After finishing a video edit, celebrate it. These micro celebrations train your brain to associate effort with pleasure. And suddenly, action becomes addictive. 8. Stop romanticizing the perfect. Start. You don't need a perfect morning routine. You don't need the best tools. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to start. Messy, unprepared, imperfect. The world doesn't reward those who plan forever. It rewards those who begin. Even a slow start beats no start at all. Remember, a 1% improvement every day leads to 37 times growth in a year. That's the power of starting small and staying consistent. 9. Discipline, chalk, freedom. Lazy people think discipline limits freedom. But in reality, discipline creates freedom. When you're disciplined with your habits, you gain time, energy, and self-respect. Every time you say no to distraction, you're saying yes to your future. The more consistent you are, the easier life gets. You no longer need to rely on mood. You just do what needs to be done. And that's where true freedom begins. 10. You don't need to be extreme. Just consistent, ambitious people often burn out because they try to do too much at once. But success doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing the right things consistently. Show up for 10 minutes every day. That's it. 10 minutes of writing, learning, creating, improving. Do that for a year, and you'll be unrecognizable. 11. Final message. So if you're ambitious but lazy, stop hating yourself. You don't lack ambition, you just lack alignment and systems. Start small. Focus on the next step. Build momentum, not perfection. You don't need to fix yourself, you just need to start. Because once you take that first small step, you'll realize something powerful. You were never lazy. You were just waiting for the moment you finally believed you could actually do it. Remember, ambition means nothing without action, but even small actions repeated daily can make you unstoppable. So start today, not tomorrow. Your future self is already waiting.